So now let's see how we can work around with effects animation inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So to do that, I'm going to go around and first of all import out a footage right here. So I'm just going to go around and then bring in a footage over here. So I'm just going to go around over here under video and then import out, let's say, this footage right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and apply out an effect onto this. So I'm going to go around under effects right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and apply out some effect, like let's say, for example, vignetting right here. So this is the vignette effect. And now let's say I want to animate this. So you can animate each and every effect as you want. So to do that, you need to go around and expand out the show and hide keyframe controls right here. And over here, you can see that there is effect keyframe option right here. So I can go around and add in stopwatch to each one of these right here. So let's just go around and add in a stopwatch to amount, size, roundness, and feather right here, just like this. Then I'm going to go around over here and you can go around, change around the amount right here. You can change around the size, as you can see. You can change around the roundness just like this and change around the feather over here as well. So you can go around and change around the roundness, the size right here just like this, and then work around with it. Change around the amount as well. So this is what you have. You can go around and select out all right here now and then add in easy ease in and out right here just so that it is smoother. So now if I were to play this, you can see that there's a gradual change in the effect that is applied right here. So that is what you have. If I were to go around on the effects right here, then there are various effects that you can add in. For example, there is, let's say, for example, lens flare over here. So you can go around and add that in. And you can also go around and add in keyframes to each and every one of these right here. And then what you can do is you can change around the flare center right here, just like this. So this is the flare center. So let me just click and drag this out. You can change around the brightness right here. You can go around, change around the lens type, as you can see, just like this. And then you can blend it out with the original, as you can see. And as you progress along, you can see that this is what is there right here, just like this. So you can see that as it goes around, then now you can see the animation applied. So that is how you can work around with effects animation inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.